Now I'm going to demonstrate to you on how we clean our espresso machine. The first thing we're going to clean is our group arm and our group head. Normally, we clean our espresso machine during the end of the day. However, if your store is not busy, you're allowed to do a pre-closing cleaning procedure. Now, this will allow you to clean one part, but at the same time, keep the other one available for your customers' orders. Now, using our espresso machine cleaner, I'm going to add at least 5 grams of our powder and transfer it on our blank filter basket, just like so.
Let's go.
Now, this is the proper way on how we should clean our steam arm. First is, open the steam arm for around 20 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. And close once you reach 20 seconds. What's happening here is that you're allowing the remaining milk residue on the steam arm to soften, which will make you easier to clean and wipe just like this. And the last part we're going to clean is the outside surface of your machine. Similarly, we'll be using your towel with hot water. I'm going to start with our cup warmer, wiping off the dirt here and the oil that has remained, and polish it off using your dry towel, just like so. Now you can do the same procedure in the entire part of the machine. Now the drip tray will be cleaned on your dishwasher, and if you don't have a dishwasher, this should be cleaned on your back of housing or front of housing with approved soap and hot water. It's very important to follow all the standard procedures of cleaning your machine for health and safety purposes, and also to prolong the life of your equipments. Thank you very much, and if you have further inquiries, don't hesitate to call your respective training